Travis Moline. I'm an anesthesiologist and an intensivist. It's my first time here in Curacao, and so far the hospital is beautiful and the city's beautiful. Very excited to be here.
Hi, I'm Winston Thomas, specialties anesthesiology and critical care. Second time in Curacao. First time it's really different from now. Lots of development. I must say I'm pretty impressed with the hospital. It's a really nice place and I look forward to helping my specialty. Thanks for having me.
I'm Dwight Frisbee. I'm a trauma surgeon. It's my first time in Curacao, but it's very, very positive time. The hospital is obviously beautiful and very spacious, very, very utilitarian, very nice.
My name is Crystal. I'm a registered nurse originally from Denver, Colorado. Since being here, it has been an honor. Everybody has been so welcoming and so great, and I've just been inspired so far by the different personalities, the different facets of the hospital, whether it be nursing or leadership. I'm just really excited to be here. Everyone's so welcoming, and I'm excited for this opportunity and super thankful to be here. So thank you guys so much.